Hi, my name is TJ. The question on a lot of people's lips today has to do with converting a petrol generator to run on LPG. And some of the questions that come up are, where can I go? How can I do it? What's the cost? Is it safe? What kind of performance should I expect from the generator after conversion? And I think the real issue for many people has been the issue of dependability or reliability. The question that once I convert the generator from petrol to LPG, will it still be as reliable and dependable as it was before? So my aim with this series of videos is actually to take you through the process, and we're going to go on this journey together. So I'm going to talk you through and show you the process of the installation, and then how it runs, how it performs, and then if there are issues, I'll also take you through that. So you should be able to take some kind of informed decision on whether converting your petrol generator to LPG is the correct decision for you. So right now we have all the materials that are needed from my end. You have, of course, the generator, and then the LPG cylinder with gas, of course. So right now we're just waiting for the installer to come around. And this is just your typical petrol generator. So this is before the conversion, running on petrol. So the installer is here, and my dog is not too happy about that. And that's the kit. So this is the kit. As you can see, it has the carburetor. It has the carburetor, which is this side of it, and then it has the reducer gas side of it. Okay. And also it comes with a regulator, safety regulator for the gas. And the installer has also brought some lengths of hose, which is basically to connect the gas cylinder, the LPG cylinder, to the generator. Alright, and of course clips and other accessories. This is carburetor. What was this one?
This one is the gas.
Okay.
This one I use plastic that we're using the gas. Both the gas and the fuel.
Alright.
So if you want to use gas, you rub it like this.
Okay.
If you want to use fuel, you rub the gas so that we're using fuel.
Alright. Okay. Let's get started and then we'll come back a bit later. So this is the kit, and as you can see, it consists of a carburetor section and then a reducer section. This is the reducer section, which is for gas, and this is the carburetor section, which is for petrol. So this will enable the generator to run on dual fuel or two fuels, LPG and petrol. So we're done with the installation, and I think everything went well. The installation itself, or the conversion, took about an hour. So that's for installation and testing. The generator sound still sounds more or less the same, and I think the power seems more or less the same. So of course there will be some extended testing, and I'll keep you posted on that. So what went well about it, I think the installation itself went smoothly, the conversion went smoothly, the testing went smoothly. So what are the things that didn't go so well? So I think in doing your own, if you're considering this, you must really insist on the length of hose. Of course, positioning your cylinder can be quite important to you to ensure that the cylinder is positioned somewhere safely